As a service advisor, you're the first point of contact for customers experiencing vehicle issues. When it comes to turbocharger problems, effective communication and a thorough understanding of the situation are essential. It's important to be able to educate your customer on possible issues that could be going on with their vehicle. When a customer reports a turbocharger issue, simply replacing the unit isn't always the solution. To prevent repeat failures and ensure customer satisfaction, it's crucial to diagnose the root cause. Start by asking these critical questions. What happened to the last turbo? Is the correct turbo available for the vehicle? Were oil restrictions or contamination present or identified? That's why T.U.R.B.O developed the T.U.R.B.O process, a simple 5-step approach designed to help you guide your customers through the turbocharger diagnosis and repair process. The T is for troubleshoot. Before you consider any other steps to the process, you'll need to troubleshoot the issue. The U is for use recommended oil. What kind of oil is being used and when was the last oil change? The R is for replace key components. It's important to replace all of the components of the turbo as well as any broken components that may cause damage. The B is for be sure to prime. Make sure to prime the turbo before going for a drive. The O is for our, as in our tech support team is here to help. T.U.R.B.O encourages shop owners, service advisors, and technicians to get in touch if you're having issues. By following this simple process, you can recommend and sell the products and services your customers need to help them avoid a repeat failure and help them understand the process that goes into turbo repairs. By adopting the T.U.R.B.O process, you demonstrate your commitment to providing thorough, reliable service. This builds trust with your customers, leading to increased satisfaction and repeat business. It also helps avoid costly warranty claims and protects your shop's reputation. T.U.R.B.O supports you every step of the way. With a technical support team that's available to answer your questions and provide guidance, as well as ASE-certified technicians who can even assist with remote diagnostics, helping you resolve complex issues quickly and efficiently, T.U.R.B.O is committed to providing outstanding customer service to all. Following this process will allow for customers to feel safe with your recommendations and build trust in you. The faster you're able to accurately assess and repair the turbo, the quicker the repair. Embrace the T.U.R.B.O process and empower yourself to provide exceptional service and build lasting relationships with your customers. Visit TerraPower.com/turbochargers to access helpful resources and to learn more.